What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a whole new video. Justin Lindquist here with Lindquist Outdoor Lighting. Today is going to be a special one. We got a old system coming out, new system coming in. We're going to be using all Brilliance Metal Works fixtures. So this is landscape lighting project number 5. We're just going to start keeping track by numbers, so we can look back and see what happened, see the growth, see where we came from, and see where we're going. So stick around, enjoy. Hannah's going to be back, and she's going to be filming and stuff today, along with helping me, so that'll be awesome. It's fun working with her. Just gonna hang out, and she kind of gets to see what we're doing, because she does want to be a part of the company in the long run. So I'm just gonna expose her to it, include her around it, and she's super smart and picks things up really well, so it'll be really easy for her to learn. It's gonna be a huge part of our relationship, however long she stays around. So with that said, let's get into this tear out. So we gotta take out the old fixtures. They currently have Kichler system in here, some aluminum fixtures and stuff, so not the kind of stuff we like to mess around with. So we got all copper fixtures coming in, so it's gonna look sweet. But yeah, let's get to work. Alright guys, what's going on? We just wrapped up project number 5. As you saw, we took out some old Kichler product and put in some new Brilliance product. It was an old halogen system, also it was aluminum, and we just wanted to upgrade to more of a higher quality fixture. So we did that for them. We ended up installing about 40 lights and about 450 feet of wire. Turned out super cool. It's gonna kick on here in the next few minutes or so. This is the biggest project so far. Jobs that we possibly have coming up will blow this out of the water, but for right now this is good. Still every day we're kind of coming in and have an idea of what we're doing, but we're kind of figuring out as we go. It's part of learning. It is what it is. It makes you nervous. It's stressful, but not stressful, because it's stress that I'm willingly putting on myself. So I don't know. It keeps turning out for the best, for the better. And kind of just keep believing, and yeah, putting myself in positions to maybe get lucky. I don't know, but if I'm out there, if I'm trying every day, it's the only way to get lucky. If you're sitting around not doing anything, you don't even give yourself the opportunity to get lucky. So we're just gonna keep showing up. We're gonna keep working. We're gonna keep pushing the envelope of what we can do and the quality that we can bring to customers and to the lighting industry. And yeah, just keep chipping away, keep grinding, keep growing. But yeah, we're kind of just hanging out waiting for the system to kick on here, like 10 minutes. So when it does, I will let you guys know. I'll pick it back up. Alright, we're gonna walk through this job real quick here. As you can see, we're gonna be adding a fixture here, but we wrapped up. We got 2 lights here on the tree. We're gonna light that bad boy up. We got 3 here. We're gonna actually add one more Acadia MR11 in the front here. And as you can see, we got 2 uplights either side of the window. These ones are gonna get moved over and shine up a little bit more, so they're gonna highlight this retaining wall along with some of the bushes. As you can see, we also lined the driveway with three path lights on this side, 1 path light over here on the other side, kind of even it out. And then we also lit up this tree here. And as you come back here to the side of the house, we got little uplights, 120-degree bulbs. We're just washing the rock on the outside. And we work our way back. As you can see, over on this tree we got 2 more uplights shining in there. Around the corner we got uplight here and an uplight right there shining up. And here we got 2 uplights in the tree. We got 2 MR11 shining on this rock over here that backwash to the bush. Then we continue the path light look over here. We ran 5 down the backside, and then we're actually going to add 1 more here around this corner, just right here in this spot. We're going to add 1. We got 1 there, but he wants to add another 1 right here, so we're going to do that once the fixture comes in. And then we got these ones lining the other way, and we also got this aspen lit up back here, and then also some deck lights in fire pit area that go all the way around. So we ran that wire all under here. They got some cool lights on the deck and pergola as well. And then we wrap it around with 2 trees back there, also have some lighting. But yeah, it's a super fun job. Got a couple more lights to come back and add, but yeah, it turned out really well. Again, we use Brilliance Metal Works fixtures. Super happy with them. We did the copper series. It's a couple different fixtures. If you are a contractor, find your local rep in the area. If you're in Colorado, hit up my man Brian. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you are interested in learning anything or wanting to know anything about certain lighting techniques, fixtures, tips and tricks, things like that. Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.